Hello all, welcome to our channel. Any website, first of all, launch, I have to upload the new files in my particular website. So if I enter my website, the website will showing for 0 files. How you can uploading for files in my control panel? Just you can log in for control panel. Any website, the storage space is given by the file manager. Click for file manager. Here option name is called public_HTML. Where login cPanel. The option name is called file manager. Here we can go option name is called public_HTML. Here upload the file. Any file you can upload. That option name is called GIF format. You always upload will be GIF format. After uploading GIF format, here file is uploaded. Right click option. We have option name is called extract. What option name is called extract. Click the extract the file. Automatically will extract. Now website will be showing previous like this. After some time, your website will be live. Then in a fraction of seconds, everything will be here. Now they will show will be some logo option will be like this. I have to change where image. So I have to change my name will be here. Copy email address. Paste it. This is our image logo. Where I'm changing will be same file manager. Here we can go to public_HTML where our images are there. Here we can go to MSR image, upload. So where our image is there exactly, go to that particular image. So here it is. Replace image. Then in a fraction of seconds, the image will be changed. We can go with that. Clear? Any content you are uploading on your website, what the option is called? Go to cPanel, file manager. The option name is called public_HTML. So these are the files we have to use it. Particular website will be live purpose. Any file uploading on cPanel, use the GIF format. Always using will be GIF format. So that will by the website always live in your particular users. So these are the steps you can follow it to live your website using control panel. If any further question in control panel, uploading videos or images and issues, please contact our channel. I definitely will be support you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe.